In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini to summarize a document. If you've ever opened a long report, a dense PDF, or a detailed brief and wished you could get the key points in seconds, this is going to save you a ton of time. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along right away. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Sign in with your Google account so you can access your files. If your drive is busy, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the document you want summarized. This works well with Google Docs and many text-heavy files stored in Drive, including PDFs. Once you've located the file, make sure you're comfortable with the permissions and that you have access to view it. Next, double-click the file to open it in the Drive viewer. You don't need to switch apps or install anything extra. The viewer is enough. Give the document a second to load fully so Gemini can detect the content. If it's a very short file or mostly images, the summary might be brief or may not appear. But for longer, text-based documents, you'll typically see helpful highlights. Now, look to the right side of the screen. You'll see a Gemini side panel or a summary card appear automatically. This panel pulls out the main ideas, themes, and takeaways from the document so you can understand the gist without reading every line. If the panel doesn't open on its own, you can open it manually using the Gemini option in the right-hand side panel. Once it's visible, read through the summary at a steady pace. Start with the overview to capture the big picture, then scan any subpoints for structure and supporting details. If the document is long, the summary may be condensed. Scroll the panel if needed to see more. Treat the summary as a fast map of the document, not a replacement for the original. If you're making decisions or citing facts, cross-check key numbers, quotes, or references in the full file. When you find especially helpful lines in the summary, you can copy them for notes or an outline. And if you plan to share any part of the summary, make sure you're respecting the document's privacy and sharing settings. That's it. Go to Drive, open your file in the viewer, and let Gemini surface the essentials for you, or open the panel yourself if it doesn't appear. With this workflow, you can scan more documents, prepare faster, and focus your reading where it matters most.